Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'll be showing you that how can we fix any type of unknown error on our Zoom application. So guys, firstly, we just need to check that why these kind of error happens during the operation of Zoom application, because Zoom is a high size application. It takes very much data and it needs a very better and smooth connection of internet to be smooth working of this application. What we have to check that, firstly we just have to check that our network connection is good enough. If you're using an Wi-Fi, so check your Wi-Fi connection that is working smoothly or not. If you're on data connection, so just check you have enough data to perform any application on this application. After that, after checking your internet connection, internet speed, you have to go on your Zoom application on your app manager. From the app menu here on your Android mobile phone, we will scroll to the down, and on the down last application is Zoom here. So tap on it. In this menu you will see three options here on the drop down. The first one is select, the second one is app information, and the third one is uninstall. You just have to click on the option on the between called app information here, and here's a lot of option called open, force stop, uninstall, storage usage, and many more. You have to click on the second option, and the first one is called storage usage. Click on that. These are two settings you will see. The first one is data delete and the second one is cache delete. You have to delete your cache and your application will be refreshed and it won't face any type of error now. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.